Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Buick Enclave battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Make sure your Enclave is turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. Safety is key, so always wear gloves and eye protection. We'll start by locating the battery, which is often found under the passenger seat or sometimes under the hood, depending on the model. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal first. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the cable. Then, proceed to the positive terminal, being careful not to let the wrench touch any metal parts of the car. Once both terminals are free, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. This ensures the battery is completely loose and ready for removal. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing between 30 and 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly oriented. To finish up, connect the new battery. This time, attach the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are tight and secure, but avoid over-tightening them to prevent damage. Double-check that the battery hold-down is fastened properly. Start your Enclave to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery. For more tips on managing your finances and other great deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.